Hey guys, here in Microsoft Word, I want to show you a really cool way how things have changed in terms of collaboration with Word documents. And this is the same for actually most of the Microsoft products. So we're going to look at how do we share a document, either for collaboration, so working on the same document with other people, or just sharing it as in sending it to someone to have access to it. Alright, let me show you. It is actually super easy. There are two places that you can look at. The first one is to go to File and Share. Okay, that's the first one that you can go to. The other place is at the top right hand side, right up there. You'll see there's a nice share button, little share icon. Okay, and you can do that. They access the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to click on Share and let's see what comes up. Okay, so here you can see we have quite a few options available, so how we can share this document. Let's have a look at what we have available. The first thing is, it says, well, I'll just start from the top, work my way down. Okay, is that cool? Let's do this. So it says, right, send link, blah blah blah. Right, here we go. Anyone with the link can edit. Now this depends on what it is you want to do. If you are working together with other people, great, then that's a good one. We can leave that as is. What options do we have though if I click on that? Okay, so it says here, who would you like this link to work for? Anyone with the link, specific people. Let's click on specific people. Okay, other settings, allow editing, set an expiration date. So you can define how long this document is available to be edited. Alright, if I say specific people, allow editing, and I click apply, I can then go here and I can type in their names, you see. So I can just make up names there. They're not there. Let's do, there you go. Oh, my word. Let's do this one. There you go. There she is. It's my wife. Sorry, babe. There you go. So I can now share this with my colleague or work person, and I can type in a little message. Here is the document we are working on. Cool. And I can then send that right away. And that'll then send them a special link. They click on the link, they can access the document. Obviously, this is important in terms of Microsoft products, that this must be in the OneDrive. If this is not in your OneDrive, it will ask you to put it in your OneDrive. You can only share things that are in your OneDrive. Please remember that. So that's one way of sharing. I'm going to close this. Let's go back, see what else we can find out here. Click on share. Okay, so we've got anyone with a link can edit, or we can take allow editing and switch that off. Okay, apply. So now it says anyone with the link can view. And I can then type in their information there, their email. It'll then send them a mail. You can also do the following. If you don't want to go through this rigmarole, you can just copy the link, click on copy link. It creates a link. There it is there. And I can then just paste that in a message, WhatsApp or whatever. I can just paste that in a message right away, and people can go and access the document immediately. That's really handy. Let's go back to share, see what else we have. Okay. Can edit, can view. So I can also now say, right, well, only these people can edit and only these people can view. They can't make any changes. What are the settings, the link settings? Do I want to have it expire after a certain amount of time? Do I want to set a password so that whoever gets the link still has to provide a password to access the document? Now, remember guys, we're not password protecting the document, we are password protecting the link that we are sending. So, do you see there are many options available when you are sharing a document with somebody? I can also go down here and I can click on Outlook to open up an Outlook. Well, let's just do it. I click on that and have a look here. It opened up on my other screen. I'll just bring it across here. Check it out. There it is. There's my email address and there is the link, and I can send this to whoever I want immediately. Pretty handy actually. Back to share, and here's another one, another option that we have. Send a copy. And I can choose to send a copy, a Word document copy, so we know we're not necessarily working on the same document anymore. It's going to send them a copy. I can send them a PDF copy of this file. Okay, so you can either collaborate with others and work on the same document, or you can share this by sending a copy to other people, or you can share it by just sending them a link that they can then access the document, either with read and write permissions, editing, or just read permissions only, which is they can just view. When you have a Word document, try and share that with some of your colleagues or your friends in your class, and try and see if you can all edit the same document together in real time. And you actually can. It's the coolest thing. Give it a try.